Welcome to Forex Bunker's weekly analysis. Going to start off with GU. If you remember from last week, we were expecting a push up ready for our short entry zone, and our two bull bars pushed up to pretty close to the zone that we were looking for an excellent short of around 500 pips. So quite a nice trade this week. As you can see, we had our pin bar, we pushed up pretty close to the zone. The entry would have had to have been on a lower time frame with the stopper around above here, and riding it down for the rest of the week. You notice we have not made a new low yet, so we'll have to wait and see how the market opens on Monday and see what it brings. Before we short any further, we want this to be broken. This is GU again. We're just on an hour chart. I thought I'd show you the entry points here. Now this is quite a difficult entry point. There's no nice pin bar here. It's quite difficult to actually read if you know how to read price action. But you can notice just some small hints that the bears were when the bears were in play, they were very strong versus all these bulls. While the bulls were winning towards this area, once this area was hit, the bears stepped in quite heavily. In the education course, you'll notice I speak about a brief introduction to candles and time. If you look over here on the 1 hour chart, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17 hours of attempted bull movement was taken out by two 1 hour candles. So right at this point there would have been a great short here, simply because the bears had stepped in. You would have got around 250 pips just from this trade alone. There's a few other good examples in here as well, but just thought I'd point this one out. And if you're unfamiliar with the education course that I just mentioned, please check it out. On to GJ now. As you can see, what we were saying last week, we're after our little up to our zone here, and then a push down, which is what we got. For maximum pips here, just like GU, let's have a look. About 700 pips of movement this week, which is quite nice for GJ. Same, but this is exactly the same as GU. We need to wait for a new low or see where this part's going to take us. Last week was quite clear, but this week's not as clear. I'd expect some more down movement due to news, but only time will tell. We'll have a look at a 1 hour chart. This is a 1 hour chart. We started our day around here, and we pushed up. As you can see, there's a really nice short trade from here down after this consolidation and the breakthrough. And as we did not make a new high, trading this break of this low would have been a good one as well. So as you can see, there's quite a few pips available this week, and I hope you got a fair few. Just quickly, if you would like to have a look at the free education course, it is found under Education, an education course, but this is only for members. If you like your free account, just register and you'll be able to see it. The time and candle that I spoke about in the video just earlier is under candles explained under price action down the bottom here. Alright, I thank you all for watching and have a great week.